Osomlomo wethu lapha eMkhasela Mlonthenga Mehlo, mfowethu uMvelase omeya lapha kwi-district, ubaba uBhungane omeya lapha eDanawuzi, ehambisana nosomlomo wakhe ehambisana nosomlomo khona into ekufanele ngabe siyayifunda la umeya nosomlomo, kodwa-ke ngoba sekule nto esikuyo mhlawumbe indaba ezethu angizuba mningi, but there is something engiyi-observayo njengoba ngihleli lapha. Mhlawumbe konke lokhu engizokusho kukhona abantu abadinga ukuzwa, ayithina indlela nyakaza ngama-officials lapha bangathululwa nama-officials, indlela nje anyakaza ngayo, there are empty seats engicabanga ukuthi kumele ihlela ama-officials kuwo. Then whatever we're going to engage and deliberate on la kusho ukuthi nje it's a waste of time. Ngoba ungaphumela lapha ngaphandle babhizi namafoni abo bayimele phandle, then who are we talking to then? Honestly, if you want to achieve, if you want to emerge victorious in the challenges we're now, the habit ama-officials must change. Hlonishwa umeya, ngiyakubingelela boss. Udadewethu uThando, ngiyabingelela kuwe. Malumami kwiphu eMajuba, ngiyabingelela usihlalo wamakhosi, ngiyabingelela amakhosi onke akhona phakathi kwethu, ozawethu amakhansela, officials from ama-department kahulumeni onke akhona, ukhotha ngolini mfowethu uSandile, uhleli emva kwafowethu uThulani lapha ezithi. Mhlawumbe abantu abadume baningi la endlini bangathiwa siphakamisa izandla. Indaba ezithi angisho ukuthi umbuso wakwaZulu ngawuvukela cha ngeke. Babe ngisho nje ukuthi baningi futhi babalulekile isithanda lapho. Ngicela ukuthi ubukhona babo nibusebenzise kahle. Abantwana basendunkulu abakhona phakathi kwethu, umntwana uNdabuko Mageba, sithobe kakhulu ukuthi ube khona phakathi kwethu. Ngifisa ukubingelela ngoba besemshini uzoba mfishane ngabezitha ngoba ngenye commitment ka2 inkinga ebhekene namajuba, inkinga ezifanayo nenkinga esibhekene nazo nathi. Velase ngizoqala ngasigcineni. I'm hoping that today discussions that we are going to have in this house will be translated into a program that is clear. I'm very grateful that we have taken a decision, because if you want to have a successful journey, the first thing you must do is to take a decision. I think we have acknowledged that as we have a challenge in terms of supplying water in Majuba. Then you took a decision to have this summit. And the summit of this nature requires people who are very matured, not just people who will come here for the sake of coming here. People who understand what is ahead of us. Let alone getting salaries, but people who have the will inside to win this battle. If there is no win, whatever salary that you are getting is not justifiable. Then singalala nje ebusuku ngoba thina siyahola sidla ingane zethu iphile, but there is something we are missing. You must understand ukuthi this opportunity that we have been given to serve abantu, there are people who are longing for this opportunity and who could do better given this opportunity. No, Nabezit have realized that we do have challenges, but 30 to 40% of the challenges that we are having is influenced by the habit of our officials. Be it they want to align them politically and create instability in the municipality, or for whatever reason they want to prove themselves. And it has to come to an end. We will be judged, Comrade Tutano, will be judged as our politicians. Comrade Tumeya Wasetanawus will be judged. But only what we do as politicians, or where to is to draw a map, which this is the destination we want to reach. What, how do we reach the destination here to? Segment lave trauma technocrats. About the head to take us to the destination. If there is no will, then what is the use of us taking our decisions? If there is no one to execute those decisions, there must be accountability at the end of the day. Where to realize, I know Silapa social city water is life, but after that, Sipuma Siyakho, which we have said water is life. No, konke sizokusho endlini konembeza bethu uNkulunkulu uyakubona, and uyena okwazi ukusihlulela ngakho. Well, after my resolutions alomhlangano velase, I think when you have done your part, ukuthi the outcome izothini, then that rest with abantu engibabona behleli ngaphandle while sikhuluma thina la. It's a pity. When engaging bahlonishwa la, we must know ukuthi we must plan properly. And we must have clear targets, izinto that we can achieve. We must have clear targets. And we must have timelines, because people cannot wait forever. Babe sengishilo in the last meeting, one day we'll be judged. Ngokuthi sasihlangana kanje sihlanganele ukuhlangana, no execution. Mhlambe ke wayinyanga sekuphetheni ngoba ndabezitha okwami bekuzoba namazwi okweseka ukusho ukuthi we know ukuthi we have a challenge yamanzi. That one is clear, hence the decision to have this summit was taken. So the opportunity, when the platform has been created, let us make use of the profitables. Now, I so wish ukuthi ngelinye ilanga masinomhlangano wamakhansela kube sendaweni evuleleke kanje and ama-officials afike azobukela ukuthi what is it that we go through. Mhlawumbe ngalelo langa we will realize ukuthi yini sihlale sikhuluma ngobuhlungu masibona besenza lento engisenzayo. Phela manje ngiyabheda umeya kadesho manje ukuthi kule ndawo ebingaphuma amanzi. La uDeputy Mayor umeya manje eMajuba decided ukuthi yena sipha ayiyele khona asiyaphuma amanzi manje. Ebelindeni kuze kufika wena ngela sizokuba umsebenzi wakho uyogula. Surely somewhere there must be something esoshintsha bafuthu. Singakhala nabezitha ukuthi don't have imali yokwenza ezinye izinto, but khona izinto ezenziwa abantu ngamabomu because they don't care. And for us to change leyo kumele sitshela iqiniso la endlini. Abantu cannot wait any longer. Thina sibe sebantwini siyochaza izathu why you are failing just because you decide not to do, you decide not to play accordingly. Then thina sebantwini siyochaza ukuthi why are we failing. It cannot be. It cannot be. lapha emajuba ngela sengizwile umethi namabhokosi ngike ngaba lenhlanhla ukuba komunye wemhlangano lapha emadlangeni kukhulunywa ngamabhokosi but we talk and talk akwenziwani lutho ubani ekumele awulungisa lo mabhokosi umele shona somewhere kuma-boardrooms ahlala khona ukhona abantu ekumele ngabe bayaplena ukuthi kunama-boreholes we need so much bahambe bayofuna usizo la bengafuna khona usizo hayi asikwazi bafowethu kufanani nikhona asikwazi kufanani nikhona angithethi but ngisho sobuhlungu bezinto engiyibonayo nizenza kithi. It's a pity ukuthi thina after 5 years abantu bazobe besehlulela ngokuhlulela thina we sit and plan take ama-resolutions but i-execution mina ninqaba uma sekufika isikhathi sokuthi sina-accountise will then tell us ukuthi hayi bangijaha mina ngoba ngisinhlangano ABC. Bafowethu, please be honest. Hayi kithi but to the people enbaservisayo neniphila ngenxa yokuthi niyabasebenzisa. Please be honest. Cha Dube mfowethu uxoxe nje lapho lokwazela nisondezele imali labezetha ngiyabonga.